Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set no refunds on Eventbrite. Here are the steps to set no refund for an event on Eventbrite. The first thing you need to do is to go to eventbrite.com and log in to your Eventbrite account. Once logged in, on the Eventbrite homepage, click on your profile icon in the top right corner identified with your email address. And from the drop-down menu, select Manage My Event. And that's going to walk you into a new window. In the new window, go ahead and click on Event in the left-hand navigation menu to view your list of events. So I'm currently creating an event that has not gone live. So this is pretty much a draft. But if you've created an event successfully, you should find all your events created here. Now, in this window, click on the title of event for which you want to set the no refund policy. So let's say this is an event. So click on the title. And that's going to walk you into the event management page. On the event management page, go ahead and find and click on payment under the event details in the left-hand navigation menu. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, so this event has not gone live. Okay, and I have not been able to enable tickets or add tickets to this event. But if you have, you should see the payment option. Now go ahead and click on payment. So once you click on payment, it could actually be payment and tax depending on your update. Now, once you click on payment, it's going to take you to the payment section. In the payment section, scroll down until you find the refund policy section. Now, under the refund policy section, you will see an option to either select or enter a refund policy. Choose no refunds or specify a custom policy that clearly states that refunds will not be issued. And after setting the refund policy to no refunds, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. Now, you may want to inform your attendees of this policy through the event description or in a follow-up email to ensure they are aware of the no refund policy. And that's it. Your event is now set with a no refund policy. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.